Morning. We're here bright and early doing some Boston butts today, and I paid $2.69 a pound for them this morning at the pig. I got some strong opinions on that. I don't think the pigs got much to do with it. I know the farmers ain't got much to do about it, but I'm gonna keep my mouth shut about that. Anyway, I got one done in Lachey seasoning. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that, how I put rub on them. I got some in Her Secret Stuff, and then I got one in Her Secret Stuff, and then I got one in this is an Alabama company, so I don't mind talking about them too much. Mr. P's, they based in Birmingham, Military Seasoning. I got this at the Piggly Wiggly also. Ain't none of them people paying me, but hey. This is a seasoning. It's their original mild rub. I've been using it on all kind of stuff lately. French fries, pork. I slice up some French fries and put them in my air fryer. Yeah, in the air fryer, and that seasoning is pretty darn good on those. And it's been good on everything I put it on. So I'm gonna try it on one of these butts today. But anyway, we're here. One on the left is Lachey seasoning. One on the right is Mr. P's. Pillataries is they got a deli in Birmingham called Mr. P's. And I'm gonna be leaving here pretty soon to go do a few things today. Got to do some work, and I'll be watching it from my app. Got a probe in one. When these hit about 160, they're gonna stall out. They're gonna slow down. They'll rise pretty quick to 160, maybe in about 3 hours, 4 maybe at the most. And then after that, they're going to hit what you call the stall. And this is where all that fat and all that good stuff in there is breaking down and making that meat tender and juicy. And once they hit that, about 165, if my bark is like I want it on the outside, I'll wrap it and put it back on, and that's going to help it continue cooking faster. And we'll eat these for supper now. We'll eat, part of one for supper tonight, not all of it, but I'll be watching it right there on the app while I'm gone. Again, there's lots of these type of smokers out there that'll do this. This just happens to be the brand I have. Anyway, y'all hang with us. These have been on for quite a few hours. Couldn't tell you exactly how long. I've been watching the temperatures. Temperature now, internal temperature is 166. So I'm gonna check my bark and see if I think it's how I like it. And yeah, I like it. I think it looks good. Wish I could bottle up that smell and sell it. I'm gonna pull my probe. And now I'm gonna wrap these. Start out with this first one. Kind of make a bowl out of this foil so my juice don't run out. Really, you're just kind of getting this to where you like the bark on it, and these look pretty good to me. Some people go 160, some people try to go 170. Other people have their own thing. You can cook these from start to finish unwrapped if you want to. It just takes a little bit more time, and they're really not going to get too dry. There's so much fat in these. But everybody's got their own opinion. Like I say, that's mine. This mixture right here is about 2/3 apple juice, 1/3 apple cider vinegar, and I'm just going to give it a good pour here. Wrap this up. Wrap this good and tight. That's how you do it. How I do it. And we'll put my probe back in. Right there is good. And I'm going to wrap the other one now, but I'm going to skip through that. These are going to stay on until they hit about 203, 204 internal temperature. I'm going to crank up. I've been at 235 all day long. I'm going to crank this up to about 275. You can go 300 until they get finished. The foil is going to help them get done quicker, and I'm at about 15 to 5, so maybe we can eat about 6:30. Be right back. 205 degrees, we pulled these off, and most people say to let these rest in the cooler, wrap them up with towels, but I ain't never been able to help myself, so here we go. It's got that good juice. It's hot, right?
How is it? Look how it's hungry.
Bryant, you better not be in that barbecue.